Hello everyone, my name is Rovi Ambaek, and in this video I'm going to showcase and demonstrate you my mini gas turbine engine. Along with it, I'm going to explain to you how a typical gas turbine engine works. To begin with, this is my mini gas turbine engine. So this is how I made my mini gas turbine engine. For the case or howling, I used a tin can of Mountain Dew. For the turbine blades, I used a cutout shape of air intake, compressor blades, and turbine blades. For the shaft, I used a regular stick. And for the combustion chamber, I used a rolled aluminum foil and put it together using a tape. So that's how I made my simple mini gas turbine engine. So how do a gas turbine engine works? So a typical gas turbine engine has four components: the air intake, the compressor, the combustor, and the exhaust. The air intake is the initial area where the air will enter the engine. After that, the air will pass through the compressor. The function of the compressor is to compress air, producing a high temperature and high pressure air. After that, the high temperature and high pressure air will then be combined with fuel at the combustion chamber. As the name implies, the combustion chamber will combust the fuel and air mixture. The combusted air will then move to the turbine blades. The turbine blades will extract those gases through the exhaust section. The exhausted gas that is extracted by the turbine blades will then produce thrust. That thrust will make the aircraft move. So basically that is how a typical gas turbine engine works. Okay, additional information on how a typical gas turbine engine works. A gas turbine engine operates behind the principle of Brayton cycle, wherein compressed air is mixed with fuel and burned constantly under pressure.